The Judicial Service Commission JSCC has cancelled a controversial capacity building workshop for judges that was to be conducted in partnership with the Chitepo School of Ideology following widespread outrage and the threats of a protest by the legal community. Zanavina Mashukonuko kunza Iowa Judicial rose to pressure cancels judges ideology training after lawyers protest threats. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. The training, originally scheduled for July 4 and 5 at the Rainbow Towers Hotel in Harare, was set to introduce judges to the integrated results-based management IRBM system. However, it emerged last week that the training would feature sessions led by officials from the ruling ZVAITWA Chitepo School of Ideology and Central Intelligence Organization, prompting a fierce backlash from lawyers and civil society. In a memorandum dated July 2 and addressed to all heads of courts, the JSCC secretary confirmed the cancellation of workshops, citing ongoing consultations with the Office of the President and Cabinet (OPC). The memo stated that the judiciary was re-evaluating the training content to ensure it aligns with the constitutional requirement of judicial independence. In courts, the decision has been taken to cancel the RBM training with the view of coming up with a program content administered by the judiciary and is suitable to the requirements for judicial independence, the JSCC wrote. The About 10 follows threats by the Law Society of Zimbabwe and independent lawyers to state a protest march against what they described as an unconstitutional attempt to politicize the judiciary. Critics argued that exposing judges to ZANU-PF ideological training would severely compromise their impartiality and independence. Some judges were reportedly also uncomfortable with the planned program. The JSCC said new arrangements would be communicated in due course and instructed courts ahead to inform all judges of the cancellation. The cancellation is being viewed as a rare victory for the legal fraternity and civic groups who had accused the government of attempting to erode judicial independence through ideological indoctrination. Tomashukanobuda panguva ino pamusoro pe the cancellation aiwa these judges is ideology training aiwa panguva ino panoda kuti malawyers panguva ino vanga vati aiwa takutoita zvedu maprotest vakatirana regime. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi? Pinai comment section medu mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like and hit on the bell.